TRISWIM Chlorine Removal Swimmer's Lotion Moisturizing Repairing Skin. SBR Sports Inc., manufacturer of TRISWIM Chlorine Salt Water Removing Hair and Skin Care, TRISLIDE and Skin Slicks Continuous Spray Skin Lubricant, FOGGIES Anti-Fog Cleaning Towelettes, DERMASPORT Facial Skin Care, is owned and operated by Karen Allard. A former triathlete and USAT coach who specialized in swim, Allard worked closely with one of the top leading cosmetic chemists in the world to specifically formulate its first brand TRISWIM. Out of a need to find a salon-quality hair and skin care product that would successfully remove chlorine, salt water and bromine, while simultaneously help rebuild damaged hair and skin with megavitamins, aloe vera, and keratin, TRISWIM was launched in 2004 and has remained the top-rated swimmer's hair and skin care in its class for all ages. TRISLIDE, FOGGIES, DERMASPORT, and Skin Slick soon followed as products that served a purpose. Branding the products under the name SBR Sports, athletes know that they are receiving a product that has been carefully thought out and produced using the highest quality of ingredients while keeping the products affordable for all to enjoy. SBR Sports products can be found globally. From USA to Canada, Mexico, Europe, Asia, Australia, and New Zealand, athletes all over the world have access to products that will keep them comfortable, while keeping them competitive. Skinfood Manuka Honey Body Moisturizer. A luxurious cocktail of natural plant-based oils combine to provide a complete body moisturizing experience. Let Skinfood delight your skin's taste buds. Skinfood Organic Coconut Oil Moisturizer. I have been using coconut oil for years and I am well aware of its wide range of benefits for the skin, hair, and body. I have curly hair, so I have also tried and currently use many of the oils included in this oil mixture. Packaging: the oil blend comes in a well-made and good quality glass bottle with a dropper. The bottle feels sturdy and the dropper works great. First impression: the blend is clear and it has a light consistency. A little bit goes a long way. I use them on my face, hands, cuticles, and hair. The oil is easy to apply and it does not leave a sticky residue. It does have a glossy finish as soon as you apply it on the skin. I was disappointed because from the description, I was at the impression that it did not leave oily residue. But I let it absorb into the skin for a couple of minutes and the skin did not look as shiny. I have oily skin, so I do not need extra shine. I do use oils on my skin because they help the skin so much, especially oily skin. Performance: after I used it on my skin one night, I was amazed the next morning. My skin felt nourished and bright. I continue to apply it every night after my toner and serum and it is a nice addition to my skincare routine. I have also used it on my hair and it has been loving it. It has a light and not greasy texture and it does a nice job at hydrating my hair. I also apply 1 or 2 drops on my hands before going to bed. I also massage the oil on my cuticles and it is great for it. So far I have been enjoying the texture and the quality of this blend. It is very easy to use and very versatile. In terms of its oily finish, if you use more than 3 drops, it will make your skin have a glossy finish. I would advise you to use less than 3 drops on the face if you want to avoid an oily look. I use it mainly at night, so I add 3 drops and it makes my skin glow and look healthy. Also, if you have dry skin or prefer a glowing makeup look, I would recommend that you add 1 or 2 drops of the oil to your foundation. It makes your skin look amazing and healthy. Likes: natural and organic ingredients, lightweight, versatile. It did not irritated my skin or cause redness. It did not cause me to break out. It hydrates my skin. High quality, great results. Dislikes: the list of ingredients include parfum as one of its ingredients. My skin tends to get irritated to add fragrances, so I would like to know the origin of the parfum. Sometimes it comes from natural oils, but I could not find information about it. Overall assessment, price point, quality, durability, need, recommendation, FTC. I received a discount for this product in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. Compensation of any kind is never accepted in exchange for a positive review. All opinions expressed are my own based on my experience with the product and not edited by any companies mentioned. This is just my opinion, your experience with this product might be different. I will recommend only the products that I or my family will use. I am disclosing this in accordance with the Federal Trade Commission guidelines concerning the use of endorsements and testimonials in advertising. If my review was helpful to you, please let me know your thoughts. Bare Minerals Bare Skin Perfecting Veil Illuminating 0.3 ounces 9. This weightless finishing powder is formulated with light reflecting optics to help diffuse the look of fine lines, lilac plant stem cells and vitamin C to help visibly brighten your complexion, and a special blend of minerals to absorb excess oil and balance skin texture. Rapid Renew Skin Perfecting Polish, 2.5 ounces. Rapid Renew Skin Perfecting Polish is a highly advanced exfoliating polish for face, neck, and décolleté that instantly reveals a smoother, brighter, more youthful-looking complexion with visibly improved clarity and newfound radiance, and delivers long-term benefits that keep working even after rinse off. Rapid Renew is formulated with hexatiene 5 complex, a unique blend of highly beneficial ingredients, specifically designed to help boost cell turnover and revitalize skin. This blend, exclusive to Rapid Renew, combines gentle yet effective mechanical and chemical exfoliating elements that deliver maximum brightening benefits for a radiant complexion.